The goal of this lesson is to learn the following vowel and ending consonant combinations.
M M M Am Om
I'll cover other combinations in later videos. In this video, you will have the opportunity to practice listening to and reading each combination in conjunction with various beginning consonants. Some of these words do not have meanings, marked as NM, while others have meanings noted with each word. The goal here is to practice reading and listening, and if you learn a few vocabulary words along the way, that's great too.
M เข็มเข้มเต็มหูเข็ม M เข็มเข้มเต็มหูเข็ม M เกมเมมเซมหอเมมM เกมเมมเซมหอเมม M แตมแลมสแตมM แตมแลมสแตมแอมแกมแคมแถมแคมทางแอมแกมแคมแถมแคมทางอมกลมขมลมยาดมอมกลมขมลมยาดมโอมโจมโสมโฮมโคมไฟโอมโจมโสมโฮมโคมไฟ
The following poem, using many of these vowels and endings, will help you practice reading and listening. The words have an added space between them to help you see the separate words as you read.
พ่อพอใจพ่อหัวยุ่มแม่ดีใจแม่หัวแย้มยิ้มจึงเว้าหัวแย้มจึงถามไผยิ้มงามขอถามเบิ่งแดขึ้มและยิ้มดีแท้สิ่งใดพ่อพอใจพ่อหัวยุ่มแม่ดีใจแม่หัวแย้มยิ้มจึงเว้าหัวแย้มจึงถามไผยิ้มงามขอถามเบิ่งแดขึ้มและยิ้มดีแท้สิ่งใด
Thanks for watching.